I'm not much of a cook these days, but my favorite holiday treat is mincemeat pie. When I was little, my dad would whisper that my brothers thought it had meat in it. Our secret? It didn't. We made it with dried fruits, apples, and plenty of holiday spices. They never touched it, so we kept it all to ourselves. As the youngest by far, it meant a lot to me to be in on something the big boys didn't know. And ever since, mincemeat pie has tasted just a little sweeter.
My favorite holiday recipe is pumpkin bread. Years ago, I found a recipe for a pumpkin cake in a magazine, and I've been modifying it year after year, trying to make it better every time. And I often make it as muffins or sometimes in a loaf pan. One year, my husband had just gotten home from work. He had taken the subway to work, and it was a snowy day, and so he was coming home, trudging through the snow, and he was exhausted and cold and hungry, and I'm not sure exactly what happened, but somehow or another, the loaf of pumpkin bread I made that one time was the best loaf I've ever made, and I've never been able to replicate it. However it turns out, it always makes the house smell great.
My favorite holiday recipe has to be my mom's fallen apple muffin recipe. Every Christmas morning, when all the nieces and nephews are so excited to come downstairs and open the gifts, the first thing you always smell are those muffins. And it just brings back so many wonderful memories, and everyone enjoys them. I hope everyone has a happy holiday season. Take care.
So the recipe I'm sharing this year is the French Yule log. With the territory of marrying a Frenchman, I get to participate in activities such as cooking from scratch. And this is a tradition that my husband and his family have done since they were kids. It is an intricate sponge cake. They add some chocolate, moussey type stuff. You have to roll it to perfection without any cracks. And then you cover it in chocolate. You decorate it with little mushrooms that you make from scratch, and then confectioner's sugar on top. It's a really lengthy process, and my in-laws argue every year about who gets to do it while I watch and then eat it. It takes about 3 to 4 hours, so if you're up for the challenge, join me this year in making a Bûche de Noël.
My favorite holiday recipe harkens back to when I was a child and my mother would make monkey bread for our family on weekends and particularly at the holidays. Christmas morning, waking up to the smell of some ooey-gooey cinnamon sugar concoction baking in the oven. My sister and I would be super excited to eat that with my family. And every now and again, we'd argue over whether or not it should have nuts in it or not. Now that I'm older, I love it with walnuts, but when I was younger, I preferred it to be nut-free. I make it both ways for my kids, and true enough, they like it without the nuts. So I wish everyone a safe and happy holiday season, enjoying all of your favorite foods and maybe even some monkey bread.
My favorite holiday tradition with my family is standing around the kitchen together eating stone crab claws. Cracking the claws can get a little messy, so we all put on our aprons to offer some protection for our nicer clothes. It's uninterrupted family time when we can listen to music, talk, and laugh, and enjoy a special Florida tradition. Happy holidays.